The points 2, 1 and -3, -4 are opposite vertices of a parallelogram. If the other two vertices lie on the line x plus 9y plus c is equal to 0, then c is 14, 15, 12 or 13. Now let's solve the question. Let's first see the properties which we are going to use. The main property which we are going to use here is that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We will also use the midpoint formula. Now let's locate the points here 2, 1. So it will be approximately around somewhere here 2, 1, and we will have here -3, -4 over here. Now these are opposite vertices of a parallelogram. That means the segment joining these 2 points will be the diagonal. Now it is also given that the other two vertices lie on the line x plus 9y plus c equal to 0. So let's assume that this is that line x plus 9y plus c equal to 0. Now we will use this property that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means this point is the midpoint of both the diagonals. Okay. Now we have here 2 points, 2, 1 and -3, -4. So we will find this intersection point of both the diagonals. So we will have here 2 -3 upon 2 and 1 -4 upon 2. That is -1/2 and -3/2. Now this is the intersection point of the two diagonals. Now as this point lies on this line x plus 9y plus c, it should satisfy the equation. So we will substitute the values of x and y over here. So we have here -1/2 plus 9 into -3 upon 2 plus c equal to 0. So solving it further, we have here -1 upon 2 -27 upon 2 plus c equal to 0, which gives us -28 upon 2, that is -14 plus c equal to 0. Hence, the final answer is c is equal to 14. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel.